Hey guys, it's Betsy V. So since I did my first video yesterday for my blog, I decided I should look more into doing videos since I got a really good response from it, and it seems people want to see more of me and pictures and video. So I went to the App Store and I found a couple cool ones. This is one of them. It's actually called Cartoonistic. So you'll see my review on it tomorrow. And you can download it yourself and play with it yourself. Seems a lot of fun. Alright guys, so let me go cook dinner for the hubby and myself. Besos.